get ready to make this Parmesan garlic chicken. You're going to need a bag of wingettes, about 2 pounds, or some chicken wings and legs like I got. And over here you got minced garlic. You're going to need about 3 tablespoons of minced garlic. You're going to need 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and if you like a little bit of spice, you can use 1 teaspoon of cumin. Use 1 tablespoon of oregano. I love me some oregano. And if you got some rosemary, you can use 1 tablespoon of rosemary. I'm out. There's my thyme. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of that. And there's my parsley. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of that. Over here you see chicken broth. You need about a 1/4 cup of chicken broth. There's the hot sauce. About 2 tablespoons of hot sauce. 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. I would say about 1/2 of a teaspoon of pepper to just give it some heat. And then over there you see my olive oil. That's going to be about 4 tablespoons olive oil. And there's the butter right there. You're going to need 4 tablespoons of butter. And this is probably one of the first times you see me really using butter, because these are the wings and it's Parmesan garlic. So you want that butter. But normally you won't see me using butter unless it's seafood. I normally use margarine. And Parmesan cheese, a 1/2 cup. And yes, I got me the generic so it doesn't say that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy all these ingredients except for butter and some of the garlic and put it all in here to marinate. So we'll be back. Okay, these are all the seasonings. And I know you're going to say, wow, it's a lot of seasoning, but it is Parmesan garlic chicken. So all of this is going to go in and it is going to marinate for 24 hours. But you don't need to marinate for 24 hours. I always say at least about an hour, but I'm putting it in for 24 hours. And then we'll be back. What I did is I broke my chicken up because there were wings. I broke them up to like little wingettes because, you know, it's just me. This is for my private. I'm going to show you the legs for the party, but this is just for my private. So I got my butter in here. I'm going to take a little bit more garlic, and that's only because I like a lot of garlic. So I'm going to take a little bit more, like a teaspoon, and maybe some juice, because this is Parmesan, and I'm going to mix it into my pot of butter. I'm also going to add more Parmesan cheese because mine is imitation. So I'm going to add this. Then I'm going to mix it well. Now I'm going to take my brush. I'm going to dip it. And I'm going to go ahead and brushing on both sides. After coating, you can optional put it in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes in the boiler if you want it crispy. Eye on it. All right, going in the oven. Okay, this is the Parmesan garlic chicken. Juicy. Yummy, yummy for my tummy.